Okay, so good morning. So our discussion for today is regarding the computation part of your topic on the introduction of electricity. So first, let me discuss how could we convert a certain number into a scientific notation and from scientific notation to a decimal notation. So basically, these are the rules that we must follow in expressing numbers in scientific notation. So first, express the number as a number between 1 and 10 times a power of 10. Next, if the decimal point is moved to the left in the original number, make the power of 10 positive. If the decimal point is moved to the right in the original number, make the power of 10 negative. So the power of 10 always equals the number of places by which the decimal point has been shifted to the left or right in the original number. So for instance, we have here, express the following numbers in scientific notation. A, 3,900. Okay, so we have here 3,900. Asan yung decimal point ng given number natin? So basically, ang decimal point is at the end. So dito yan. Okay, so we need to convert this number between 1 and 10 times a power of 10. So we have here, what would be that number times a power of 10? Okay, so movement of decimal point from left or from right, okay, depende yan. So for instance, sa given na 3,900, paano ang movement? So this is the decimal point. Move natin 1, 2, 3. Okay? So, 3 places ang movement ng decimal point. So, that means 3.9 times 10 raised to, since ang movement natin is to the left, make the power of 10 positive. So, 10 raised to 3. Okay? So, pwede rin natin i-consider pag i-move pa natin ng isa, that would give you an equivalent of 0.39 times 10 raised to positive 4. Pero mas acceptable yung conversion natin na ito. Okay? We have letter B. 0. Ilang 5 yun? Ay, ilang 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 0. Then, 5, 6. So, paano? That would be times 10. Okay, power of 10. Then, movement of the decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 5.6 times, since ang movement natin goes to the right, that means power of 10 would be negative. So, negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative 6. That would be the answer. Okay? Next tayo. Express the following numbers in scientific notation. So, 2, 3, 5, 0, 0, 0. So, andito ang decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, that means 2.35 times 10 raised to positive 5. Okay? Punta ako dun sa letter C. 0.35 0.000756. Movement 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that means 7.56 times 10 raised to negative 4. Okay, how about letter B? 364,000,000. So that means 3.64 times 10 raised to, bilang po natin, from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So raised to 8. Last, that would become, hindi ko na siya i-rewrite, bilangin na lang natin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is 1.6 times 10 raised to negative 13. Okay? This is how we convert a given number to a scientific notation. Next tayo. So, how about converting a scientific notation into a decimal notation? Okay? So, we have here the rules. If the exponent or power of 10 is positive, move the decimal point to the right the same number of places as the exponent. And second, if the exponent of the power of 10 is negative, move the decimal point to the left the same number of places as the exponent. So for instance, we have here given 4.75 times 10 raised to 2. Take note, positive 2. Okay? Exponent is positive. Move the decimal to the right. So, 4.75. Move the decimal to the right with the number of places as the exponent. Ito yung exponent natin. Okay? So, 1, 2. Dito mapupunta yung decimal point natin. So, therefore, this would become 475. That is the decimal notation. Next, 6.8 times 10 raised to negative 5. Okay? So, if the exponent or power of 10 is negative, which is the same as this example, move the decimal point to the left. So, to the left. Pag ganon. So, originally, 6.8, move daw natin ng decimal places to the left. Okay? So, negative 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dito, mapupunta ang decimal. Dagdagan natin ng 0, lahat. So, therefore, that would become 0.1234. So, apat yan na 0, then 6, 8. So, therefore, that would be the decimal notation.